Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor, convection oven for Vulcan Hart part #00-419730-00001. The motor, convection oven for Vulcan Hart part #00-419730-00001 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart convection ovens. It is a high-performance motor that helps to circulate hot air throughout the oven cavity, ensuring even cooking temperatures and consistent results. The motor is designed to be durable and reliable, with a long life expectancy. It features an adjustable speed control that allows you to adjust the fan speed for different cooking needs. The motor also has an overload protection feature that prevents it from overheating or burning out. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for a Vulcan Hart convection oven. It is designed to replace a faulty or malfunctioning motor, which could be causing symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, the fan not running, or the oven not turning on at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the oven carefully. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials for installation. 3. Disconnect power to the oven before beginning installation. 4. Mount the oven to a wall or other suitable surface using appropriate fasteners. 5. Connect the power supply to the oven according to local codes and regulations. 6. Connect any necessary gas lines, if applicable, according to local codes and regulations. 7. Test the oven for proper operation before use. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.